I'm sure you have seen on TikTok people making videos about drinking rice water and lime in order to lose weight. So I went ahead and did my research and I found this article. So this is what it says. Drinking rice water for weight loss can help you reach your goal sooner as it promotes a feeling of fullness, which results in less calorie consumption in a day. It can help in a variety of ways, such as aiding better digestion, building your immunity, as well as detoxification and respiration. So this rice water and lime will accelerate your weight loss journey. But the most important thing is to focus on your diet. And if you want a weight loss diet, you can check out the link in description and find recipes that can help you lose weight. So rice water will lower your calories. So on average, 100 ml water contains 40 to 50 calories. So instead of taking sugary drinks, you can opt for rice water with lime, which will help in lime will break down fats. So another benefit of rice water is it will help in better digestion. So starch present in the rice water helps in relieving digestion issues. So starch helps in reducing fat accumulation and also promote fat metabolism. Also adding the lime will be giving you good results. Together with a proper diet plan, you will lose weight. So it will improve your gut and also make you feel full, so you'll not be eating. So if you are suffering from eating disorder where you keep on eating and not where you are not feeling satisfied, this rice water will help you, and it will help you stay hydrated. So this is how you can make rice water. And all you need is a pot of rice and water to boil it. So it's not a must to be you boil the water. So you just put take 3 spoons of white rice and a cup of water. You can increase this quantity based on this proportion. So just measure some spoonful of rice and add it to water. Then let it cook on the gas for a period of 20 to 30 minutes. Strain the milk water and let it cool down. Rice water can be stored in the refrigerator for 1 week or more. So, and how about the dosage? If you are looking to include rice water for weight loss in your diet, make sure that you follow the right dosage. It's advisable you drink 1 to 2 cups a day. But before you make this as part of your routine, it's advisable to check or seek advice from your doctor or health provider. So, what is the best time to have rice water for weight loss? Rice water can be had any time in the day. Having it 30 to 40 minutes prior to your lunch or dinner is a great idea. It will help you keep full and you will end up consuming few calories. So, there are some side effects. While rice water is healthy, it comes with some share of side effects as well. Rice water is used to treat diarrhea, and drinking it in excess may lead to constipation. Besides this, drinking more than the recommended amount can lead to bloating as well as gas. So make sure that you don't take a lot, and also combine it with a proper diet plan. You can check a free diet plan in the link in the description, and also get a better drink, Slimming tea, which is a better option because it is recommended and has been approved by FDA. So is rice water good? Yes, but always consult before taking any weight loss drinks that you see online. What I recommend is you check out more advanced drinks that have been tested to be working, like Slimming tea and also Slimming coffee. I've been using it because I realized that I developed stomach problem when I use lime and rice water. So don't use rice water if you develop some issues. Stop. Try Slimming tea or coffee, something that will not affect you. And that's it.